Recording
Yes,
has
ma'am.
recording has begun. So it is almost time to eat this ghost pepper and be in so much pain. I am going to prep and remove this sweater. Alright. Alright.
Oh shit, I wasn't muted.
Yeah.
I didn't hear any of that.
We heard you loving on a dog or pet.
I'll kill your cat. I'm kidding.
I'll kill your dog if you kill my cat. Don't touch my cat.
Don't touch my dog.
Alright, we're at a mutual understanding.
Oh, don't forget to take off the flower thingamajiggy or whatever at the bottom. There was like some tiny stem or something.
This?
It's not there.
Alright.
No, that's not it. Ew, cringe up!
I'm gonna bite a lime.
Why are you eating a lime first?
Because I can. It'll help.
Like, wouldn't that, like, increase the heat?
No, it just makes me braver to it.
Yeah, sure. Okay. We'll take that.
Alright. I'm gonna eat it in 3, 2, send it.
Don't count down! That's more cringe. Oh god. Hey, you'll go a minute without water. At least a minute. I mean milk.
Oh god, it keeps getting hotter.
Exactly. What? They're both laughing!
It's good!
Heat increases. Take more pain.
It keeps getting hotter. Oh.
Now go this entire call without
Oh, my mouth is going numb.
Yeah, it happens. Oh my god, don't wear a mask while doing it because, like, the heat just rebounces and, like, it made my lips red in under a minute. God, they're laughing like crazy. Are you crying yet? Are you crying like a little dog? Haha. Now go eat your cat. Oh my god, Emily.
Nope.
No.
Nope, have to
Well, I
drink
guess
milk.
you could say that was a minute.
Oh my gosh.
It's not gonna help. Maybe.
Oh
Like,
god, that helps.
That little bit. No, that little bit, it won't help. Freaking Emily had like 2 or 3 cups. She's still drinking. Mabel, if you didn't want to be in here, you didn't have to come in.
I fucking hate this. Ah, fuck!
May this dog calm thy heat.
It doesn't do shit!
I know. It just pisses you off more, doesn't it? Doesn't it?
It really does. Please stop. Don't talk. Ah, it hits the back of your throat! Ah! Ah! Ah, you have to keep screaming!
What about you guys?
Ah!
Hey, will this help? Where are you? Oh my god.
Oh god, it got so much worse after the beginning.
Bro, guys, did you see? Fuck.
He is a man who
Hey.
really knows what's happening, and he loves his country. He also loves the United States. And I want to thank for his friendship and his professional working relationship.
How does this make you feel, Michael? Seeing a face be cut before your very eyes.
I fucking hate all of you.
Pepper from a ghost pepper.
I hate myself. I hate everything.
That's pretty normal already.
What sucks more is that I'm lactose intolerant.
Bro.
This has been going on for about 10 minutes.
Yeah, but you drink something, so. picture of this. This is adorable. Yo,
I'm in so much pain.
I just got out of the shower.
I'm in so much pain.
I missed it.
I'm lactose intolerant.
Okay.
I drank. This is my fourth glass.
Oh, stop. Over here. Pause. Nope, I don't want to do. I need to turn up my volume because. I love how Helpless played. I just finished. How are y'all? Y'all look terrible.
I'm in pain.
Understandable. Who is Kelly? Why is she here? What is going on?
I let Kelly join because I was like offering her to see them stuff.
Why are there so many mentions?
Huh?
There's so many mentions. Wow, my peeps. Y'all added everyone in like 3 different channels.
Well, yeah. We wanted just people.
Why did Aubrey, why did you send me the link to the Discord book chat?
Just in case.
Just in case. Good response.
It's getting better. It's getting better.
That's good. It's good.
Whoa! Me forcing myself to last half an hour without milk or water or ice cream.
I can't. I couldn't. That was just.
Honestly, the taste of the ghost pepper is not really that good.
It's not at all.
Like, without the spicy, just the taste of it, it's not that good.
It's not at all. I'd take a bell pepper over that. I'd eat a whole bell pepper.
Yeah, the bell peppers are better.
Yeah, because they're sweet.
They're not even that sweet.
I feel very happy.
Kelly,
I feel very cozy.
guys, this is my friend Kelly here
Hi.
from JB. Kelly, there's Justin, Daphne, Michael, Emily, and Rashad.
I've heard Emily and Michael already already ate it.
Yeah, they just ate it.
Dang.
I recorded the whole thing. It's fine.
Yeah.
Send it to me. I missed it.
My
I'm gonna post it on YouTube first, then I'll send you the YouTube link.
Yeah.
I'm
Alright,
showing the
thanks.
entire internet this
It's
bullshit.
gonna last for a while.
Huh. How did I do
I mean, you can leave anytime if you want, but like,
I don't know, I'm just asking.
It's been 15 minutes.
now we just like.
Yes. In final, they died.
I think this is a good time to end the video because the rest of it is just gonna be me doing normal boring pain.
How do I see who's in here? Because it's like not.
You tap the screen and it shows you all the names of people.
Oh, there we go.
There's a piece of it. There's a piece of it stuck in my mouth.
I've delivered my piece of chicken.
Who's Samuel supposed to be?
Oh, that's Daphne.
Okay, because everything's just buffering.
Oh my god.
That's normal.
Like, can you see the screens? Like, do you know?
Yeah, I can see everybody else, but yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna end the video here because my pain is just gonna be the same this entire time. So I'm gonna end that and post it to YouTube.